All right, we're going to use the rational roots theorem to find all the possible factors of the polynomial 3x to the fourth minus 5x cubed minus 17x squared plus 13x plus 8. So this is the purpose of the rational roots theorem, is basically finding the values that we should test so that we can find factors. How I always start is I list the factors of the constant, which in this case, the constant's 8. So the factors are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 8. Then we list the factors of the leading coefficient, which in this case is 3. So the factors are 1 and 3. I'm going to go plus or minus, but it doesn't really matter, the positive or negative, on the leading coefficient. So then the possible factors are all the factors of the constant 8 divided by the factors of the leading coefficient. So when we divide by 1, though, nothing changes. So then it's always a 1 out in front at least. So it's always whatever the factors of the constant are always possible factors. And then we divide by anything other than 1. So in this case, there's just a 3. So I take all the possible factors of 8, all the factors of 8, and divide them all by 3. And I get plus or minus a third, plus or minus 2/3, plus or minus 4/3, and plus or minus 8/3. And just remember, all those whole numbers technically are all over 1, which is a factor of 3.